I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to convert an MP3 file to a WAV file for free using Audacity. Step 1. Open the MP3 file in Audacity that you want to convert to a WAV file for free. Step 2. Click File in the menu at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Export Audio. The Export Audio window opens. Step 3. Click to expand the drop-down menu next to Format, and then choose WAV in the list of options. Step 4. Adjust any other settings, such as the location where you want to save your exported file, channels, sample rate, or encoding, and then click Export. Your converted WAV file will be saved to your defined destination. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.